Hello and good evening, guys. Today is Sunday and we are recording our first video with our DJI Osmo 4. And while celebrating this, we will be doing some handstands. We are in Bali. I am in my house. This is my room, and this is the family temple behind me. And we value it, respect it, give it our highest energies. It's the evening and there's a good wind blowing. Our mic is right here, so we'll also get to test the mic for wind. And let's do some handstands as the celebration for this new device, which will help us tell better stories, capture real moments, document our journey, and also keep you more uh, intimately aware and participating in our lives. So let's start this journey together. So guys, we finally turned on the mic. It wasn't on. It was here all along, but not on. So you might have heard my voice earlier without the mic, and you can find out the difference. We are just doing an unpackaging video in the most random and bizarre and natural way here. So we will also test the low light capacities because it's very close to the evening. We have a beautiful partner here, just showed up. It's our little cat, and we'll be doing some handstands to celebrate this day as we want to test the distance, the capacity of the video, and also the tail of our cat. So let's go, and our cat will join us mostly. Wow, life creates the bestest of scenes, and I never thought that I'll be shooting this right now. I thought I'd be at the beach or at the gym, but here we are, and let's do this. When we are doing it, let's do a small handstand. Let's balance a little bit and then show you how the video is and then the sound is. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And trying a little variation with wider hands, but the balance forward and backward, it takes some time to warm up the wrist. I didn't do that today, but anyways, let's carry on and explore more of this beautiful device, of our life here, and also of this beautiful evening. Let's see what the camera makes us capture, because I believe if I can treat this camera like a witness rather than a trigger for projection, I will be doing more justice to this, your time with me, and also my own life, because I always believe presence is better than performance. So this is the reason I decided against going to the beach today, because I thought that I'd already been to the beach in the morning and it's a little cloudy, there won't be no sunset. Although it's a Sunday, it's nice. I could have played football, but then I had thought that I'd go to the gym, but again, because I was busy fixing some problems with Apple, downloading the Memo app for DJI, trying to get my account restarted, so I got delayed. But we're gonna make the most of our time here. So this is the house that I'm staying at. Beautiful flowers, beautiful amazing greenscapes, beautiful statues, typical Balinese house, amazing kitchen, and let's see the zooming capacities also. See, life is giving us all these beautiful things where we can actually utilize all the capacities of this camera. So what I just found out was, in the active tracking mode, which was active earlier, you can't zoom in, but without it you can. And I wanted to show you the rawness of the house. This is the aquarium. Let's zoom in all the way. This is 4x. You can see the fish, and all Balinese house have a water feature as well. So let's see if this cat is actually smart or is she dumb. We'll give it some food and expect it to make some movements. Come. Come on. Come on. Oh, it just wants love right now. Come on. Hey, smart cat. Smart cat. Smart cat. So that's what a beautiful cat is. And she is with a tiger balm, of course. Feline power. That's our book reading again, and some of our diaries to write. Maybe give her some more food, bits and pieces of food for her. This is our batiks which I use at the beach, and this is the evening sky. And let's show you some more handstands after this. First we will set up the auto detection, and active track is available, and then when it gets available we will show you some handstands with the beautiful cat around us. Oy. Accidents bound to happen. Relax, breathe, hold. There it is, my friends. So I believe this is enough of a quality test and unpacking of this device and what to expect with us while using it. Real, raw, and unhindered in presence, covering the real life that we live, the cat, the house. And when your life is full of miracles, you don't need to plan your videos. Life will do it. And while we are at it, I thought I'll show you some bits a little more than what meets the eye, because I can do whatever I want, no? So this is the entrance and the beautiful creations of this beautiful family that they have. Look at that. Amazing. Hello, mic testing. Yes, we are here and we will be doing some more work. First, let me recognize myself here. It is active tracking. And I would like you to get introduced to my buddies as well. My amazing Lolly. Lolly is the cutest. She looks like a deer right now, but with hair she is like a fluffy little soft toy. Let's do some more handstands right here. Papak. Bagus. Makasih Bapak. So as I said, our friend Lolly and our friend Lulu. And Lolly wants to dance. Jump. Jump. So it's just amazing to be able to witness the beauty and bliss of Balinese household, and I am grateful for it. And look at this, just witnessing and grace. So friends, ending with showing you the low light features and this altercation, but you know, love is love, and food always leads to more love. So we will give both of them food, and they will eat and they will enjoy.